Welcome to this tutorial. We'll be speaking about the variations further, and we are going to use two examples. That's the SUMIF function and the average if function, just to better our understanding of these types of functions. So I'm going to use proper example here. I'm just going to drag this formula to the end because come on, and then drag it there. Let me see if this is 23005, 23005. Okay, so I'm going to add another column here and say I'm going to check an overspend, like what is our total overspend, and this is basically going to be like this, and then highlight all this and copy the format as well of that. This is not the right thing I wanted to do, but highlight all that, format painter, highlight all this, boom, that's it. Gonna save, then we put here the formula. So I want to sum if, which is here, and want to sum only is going to choose a condition. So I'm choosing all that range, comma, then what is the criteria? Remember, your criteria needs to be within double quotation. So within those double quotation, I want to sum if, come on, I want to sum if you are greater than 1,000, because for me any cost greater than 1,000 is an overspend. So I want to know what my overspend is per month. Boom, it summed all the contents that are above 1,000. Okay, so that's how you add to the sum function the condition what you want to sum, and we can clearly see in this column it's this. The next column is going to be more. See, everything in this column is above 1,000. Here it's only 1020, here it's only 8,293. You can add conditions here, and the third condition is the sum range, but I didn't want to use that because it's not proper for this type of exercise. Okay, but that's how to use the SUMIF function. To go to the average if and to understand, let me just see average overspend, let's say like that. So I want to see, copy that. Actually, instead of doing all that, I can just copy all this, format painter, and just come. That's good. So to insert the average if, there are two ways I can do average if. Just type the formula and then select it here, or the other way is to use the formula stub. Okay, if I know where it is located, I'll just, sorry, I'm going to delete all this so that just create some space. In the formula tab, go to, I think, yeah, statistical, and then average if. Okay, it's going to pop up the formula builder tab, which is on your right. Then it's asking you for the range. I'm going to take this range and then click on the criteria, and the criteria is here. You don't use double quotation mark. I'll just say anything greater than 1,000, which is my overspend, and then it's asking you for the average range, which you don't really have to give. Then click on done. It's giving me 1,200 because I had selected this cell. Let's select the proper cell. Again, let's start that cell, more functions, statistical, average if, gives us this pop-up. We say we want the range is from here to here. Then what is the criteria? The criteria is anything greater than 1,000. Then average range, I'm not going to use that. In more advanced average if functions, yes, you use that, but I'm just going to let this one go. So it's done the average if function, but from the formulas tab. There's lots of formulas here. Some might give you the formula builder, others will not give you the formula builder. See, we did the sum function for the subtotal. It didn't give us the formula builder, but on this one it gave us. So if I drag this formula to the end, okay, that is how it is. Not that average overspend is what I would love to know, but it's a good item to have it. So that's it from SUMIF and AVERAGEIF functions. See you in the next function tutorial, where we are going to learn about the concatenate function. Sorry about that, I almost beat myself. See you then. Bye.